How to change destination during a Lyft ride. If you have been using the Lyft application and wondering on how to change the destination on it, don't worry. In this video, I will show you how to do it, so let's get started. First of all, open the Lyft application, just like this. Now here you can find I have already added my pickup and destination just right here. Now to change it, simply tap on to edit locations right here. Tap on it. Now you can see my destination just right here. Now to change it, simply move it just like this and add a new one just like this and tap on it and tap on to confirm. And now you can see my destination has been changed. Now do the same process to simply change your destination onto the Lyft app. And that's it. This is how you can change destination during a Lyft ride. It is a very easy process, right? If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.